AI video generation just changed completely. Creating videos with AI took many iterations of prompt engineering, picking the right models from a dozen of options, and praying that the outlook would not look fake. But watch this. I made every single one of these by typing in a sentence into this AI agent. And this works so much better now because Artlist's new AI agent thinks through all of your different ideas and prompts before it generates anything for you. It reasons about what you actually want, and it picks the right model, and it writes the technical prompts for you. And then it iterates through all of your different ideas based on your prompts in plain English. In this video, we'll create some viral clips, some brand ads, and some UGC content, and I'll show you how to create some Instagram carousels as well. And the best part is that I'll show you how to create all of this in just a few chats. Plus, I'll show you some storyboarding tricks that will save you about 10 times your credits whenever you use this trick. And with the link below, you'll get 5 times more credits on the same models that we're about to use. Let me show you. All right, before I show you how to make money with this and explain exactly why Artlist Agent kind of killed one of my business lines, let me show you the fun stuff first. Just use the link below to set up the agent, and then we'll create some videos together. The tool that I'm using for this is called Artlist. And if you're not familiar with Artlist, this is what it looks like. As you can see here, you get the 5x more credits. And right down here, you can see how you can use Artlist AI Agent. You can simply use it by clicking on the AI Agent chat box right here, and it brings you to this new chat. And we'll cover a bunch of use cases in just a second. The first thing that I'll prompt it is the following thing. I'll say I want to make a few viral clips for social media with AI, and that I want to make this 6 seconds FPV shot of a skateboarder bombing down a hill of San Francisco. And if you're familiar with my channel, I've tried this on many different AI video generators before, but previously I would use this ultra detailed prompt right here in order to get good results. But now I can do this all within the agent. So I go back to the agent, type in my video right here, and hit enter. It's now taking into account everything that I said before it, and it's now choosing the right aspect ratio as well as the prompt and the perfect video model that can do the best job for this particular prompt. And after asking me exactly what model it recommends in what kind of resolution, aspect ratio, and duration, I just have to confirm or I can change this, and it's now generating the video for me.
A few moments later.
So let's now check out this video. And that looks super good. And let me now create a few more of these videos, and I use my viral AI video prompt blueprint as an example, and I'll go down to the section of the Artlist AI Agent playbook, and I'll copy some of these exact prompts right here. First, we'll go with this one, prompt that right here, confirm. And while this is generating right here, I will copy the next one right here as well as the other prompt.
A few moments later.
So let's review some of these videos. Here's the skydiver one. That was pretty good. Let's check out the product commercial. That's pretty good, but I probably shouldn't have limited to 6 seconds because I wanted to see more of what happens after that. But let's watch the multi-shot sequence that I wanted for the coffee commercial. This is so good. I could watch that over and over again, and I could totally see how someone posts that on social media because there was so many different shots and it kind of tells a story. But now to the last one, and keep in mind this is AI, so it's a little bit evil and some people think it's funny, so let's see what happens to the grandma. Okay. No, this did not work out as I thought it would. All right, she's being blown away. So this is not what I had in mind. I thought she would be blown away based on the prompt and everything, but I guess AI videos aren't perfect quite yet. Now, all of these videos are really funny, just viral clips that you would post online, but let me show you an even more powerful way to use this tool. And this is the way that I actually use it to make money. Now, here is how I previously used to do this without the new Artlist AI agent. Let's say I wanted to create some brand images or videos for this brand, which is my family's Il Gelato store. I would go to the website and I would copy the website and I would paste it into my own custom AI agent. And I would say, analyze this brand and hit send. After it analyzes the brand, It tells me exactly what the brand stands for, and I would ask it to give me 5 ideas to promote this brand on social media. And by the way, if you still want to use my custom GPT that has been used by thousands of people, check the link in the description below. But the real point is that you don't need to do these things anymore, because I would have to ask it to create prompts for AI image generators and then manually paste them over to Artlist anyways. Now you can do all of this natively within the Artlist agent by just selecting the AI agent mode. You also don't need to use custom tools that create branded images for you anymore. For example, paid tools like 7Posts, where you create a new brand profile by just adding a new brand and pasting in the website, and then it analyzes the brand strategy and target audience for you, and then you create custom branded content like this. All of that is now possible with this new AI agent within Artlist. Let me show you exactly how I would use it. I go back to Artlist and click on Generate New Session. And I go back to the agent and I simply give it a prompt, something along the lines of, I want to create some advertising and social media posts for Gelato Hawaii, which is an Italian gelato shop in Hawaii. What images should I generate for them? And I'll simply have it generate some ideas for me. And it comes up with some macro product shots, as well as some lifestyle atmosphere and ingredient shots. And I'll just tell it to go ahead and generate it for me, but I'll also upload a logo for me. And I'll hit generate.
A few moments later.
And it generated this shot for me right here. Now, the best thing about this tool is that you can ask follow-up prompts right away. For example, I can now say, now I can simply ask it this prompt and go ahead.
A few moments later.
And here's the shot right now. The writing here is great, but I actually want it to be based in Hawaii. So I can simply just give it a follow-up prompt and say, so I'll just simply say what I want to be changed. If you want your logo to be included, simply click on upload file and upload it right here. Hit generate.
A few moments later.
And we can now see the shot now changed with our logo and the Hawaiian theme right here. But it gets even better. You can even ask it to create a video out of that. So now I can say, so I can give it a simple prompt of a multi-shot sequence commercial video of this brand and how it's being made. It's now thinking about this and it's creating the video for us. And here's the video it created. And we noticed that the logo didn't come through here, so let's upload the logo one more time. It gives me the specs of what it's planning to create, and I'll say continue. And here's the updated video. So this time it actually got the logo right. You can see the logo right here, as well as the storefront logo right there. But it gets even better. You can create UGC-style ads or videos for you within the same tool. And I can simply copy a prompt like this one, go back here, and you can copy a long prompt like this. Or since we've already been chatting, you can simply say something related to the gelato shop, upload a reference image of a gelato cone here, and create the video right away. And here's the video.
This tastes absolutely incredible, like a real vacation.
I love it, especially that she takes a massive bite out of that gelato, but it perfectly preserved the look of the gelato from this company. Now you can use the same framework and just prompt it to create Instagram carousels for you or LinkedIn carousels. It can create images or videos, and I've summarized all of that in my AI video guide under the Artlist AI Agent playbook section. Huge thanks for Artlist for giving me early access to this new AI agent and for sponsoring this video. If you want to try it yourself, the link below gets you up to 5 times more credits on some of the most popular models like Seedance 2 or NanoBanana Pro or Kling 3.0, which are the models that really do the heavy lifting behind most of the work that you'll be doing anyways. If you want to see what happens when I push the AI agent to the limit to create this ultra cinematic Nike commercial, you want to see this video next. And I'm also creating another video that shows how to use Claude Code or other tools and stitch them all together in order to get the most out of your AI models as well as your AI image and video models. So if you're subscribed, I'll see you in the next one.